upgrade video for the TAMIYA XV-01 rally car. Let's get right into it. I want my cars to look right and scale while driving, so I added windshield wipers and the contours these would make on a dirty windshield. I made a decal mask for the window and sprayed the car with a light overfilm of a light brown to simulate dirt. After removing the mask, you can see the clear windshield the wipers would make. And here with the windshield wipers. The next upgrade also adds to the looks of the car. As you can see through the windows, I also wanted an interior. If you build the XV-01 based on the manual, you cannot see any electronics. But the scale look is so much nicer with actual drivers, seats and dashboard. So I bought this interior from TAMIYA. The part number is OP1491. It's very light and flimsy. You get your manual, parts for attaching the interior, some decals, and of course heads with helmets. Building the interior is fairly easy, it's just a few steps. Prior to painting, I sprayed the whole interior black. And an hour later, it looks like this. The last upgrade in this video are new shocks and springs. TAMIYA includes 55mm shocks in the kit, but for more ground clearance and suspension travel I opted to go with 60mm shocks from Yeah Racing. They have aluminum shock bodies and the finish and quality looks really good for the price. Shock oil is included and it's already leaking. Builder's manual as always. The plastic parts like pistons. And this is great. Springs in 3 different stiffnesses. Hardware for attaching the shock. And bladders and O-rings. Titanium nitrided shock shafts. And the shock bodies themselves. I personally always add green slime to the O-rings, but it's not included in this package. The assembly was straightforward and very easy. But it's a lot of parts. On the left you see the new dampers and on the right the old ones. And here the finished look. Feels great. The spare parts are impressing.
Actually, the windshield wipers were added at a later step.